Thanks for tuning in, guys. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how we can open multiple tabs in the same window or in a single window. By that, what I mean is that I will show you the practical scenario now. Let's suppose we have one tab in one window by the name Facebook. Then in the same window, we want to open another tab. Let's suppose Google. And then in the same window, we want to open the another tab, that is Instagram. In the same window, again we want to open the fourth tab, and that is Twitter. And in the same window, we want fifth tab, and that is Snapchat. So how we can achieve this using Selenium, we will see this in a moment. So without further ado, let's go back to the code and we will write the code for this. So first we will open the Facebook, and for that let's just get started. So the first thing is we should initialize the browser, and for that I am using web driver is equals to new age driver. For time being I am using age driver. You can use any driver of your choice, but the most important thing to remember here is that I am using Selenium 4.8 version, and in this latest version I do not have to write system.set property and then by typing here like this webdriver.age.driver and giving the path of the executable driver. This is no longer needed in the 4.8 version of the Selenium. We can straight away tell the driver that boss, I want to use age driver and kindly launch that for me. Okay, so this is the latest development. So we have right web driver is equals to new age driver. Now I will open facebook.com. So for that driver.get, and here we will write facebook.com, and this should open a facebook.com for us, and also this will be the first tab. Correct. So now we will run the code and we will see what I mean by that. So it is launching the age driver, and it should open the Facebook for us, and there we go. Yes, it has opened the Facebook for us. Now in the next tab we want Google here. So how we can achieve that? We cannot write driver.get again. It will replace the Facebook with the new URL. So for that Selenium has a one inbuilt command, and that is driver dot switch to dot new window, and in that we need to type type window type dot tab. This is the inbuilt command to open a new tab in the same window, and here we will write driver dot get, and that is the second tab now. And in the second tab what we want google.com. So we will just enter the URL there and we will run the code. Now we will see it practically. Before that I will just maximize the driver dot manage dot window, then window, and then maximize. Okay, now we will run the code and we will see the outcome. It is launching the age driver. It will open the Facebook in the first, and then it will open the Google in the next. And then similarly, we want Instagram here, and then Snapchat, and then Twitter. So what I can do, I will just copy this now, as this is the same command we are going to use. So driver dot switch to dot new window, and in that window type dot tab. This will open a new tab in the same window, and then driver dot get, and in this third tab we want Instagram. So we will just enter Instagram here, like that. And this will be our third tab. Now, in the next tab, what we want Twitter. So we will write the same command first, driver dot switch to, and then driver dot get, and then we will give the Instagram, sorry, Twitter URL, like this. And this is the fourth tab. And let me just write one more very quickly. So driver dot get, and this will be the fifth tab. And in the fifth tab, what we want Snapchat. So I am putting Snapchat URL here. Now as we have done with the code, now we will run it and we will see the outcome. So I have clicked on the run button. Now it should launch Edge driver. Then in the first tab it should launch Facebook. There we go. Then in the next tab, it should launch Google. In the third, Instagram. In the fourth, Snapchat. Oh, it is Twitter. And in the fifth, it should open Snapchat. And this is the way how we can open multiple tabs in the same window. That's all for today. In the next video, what we will going to learn is if we want to close the particular tab from these tabs, how we can achieve this. And this is a practical scenario. So we will see this in the next tutorial. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye bye.